Today's new home builders offer all kinds of new technology in their homes, but sometimes it costs a little more. I'm going to show you a home builder that includes it in the price of the house. Today we're visiting Fulton Homes' new Acclaim plan and looking at the Ridgeline models. And next week we're going to come back and do the North Shore models as well. But today, welcome to Fulton Homes. In this video I'm going to chapterize each of the homes. So you don't have to look at the whole video. You can just skip around to the plan you might like. And at the end, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Fulton Homes in general that might surprise you, what you get as far as value in a Fulton Homes home. So if you've seen my video about Parkside Villas, you'll know the Parkside Villa is just here, and the Fulton Acclaim area is just below it, just south of it. You're going to find at Fulton Homes you have a lot of quality that's already built into the home itself. So when you look at the price and you compare it to other homes, there are things that you're going to get with a Fulton home that you don't have to pay for. They're already provided by the builder. Also, the styling on the interior is often a little bit more elegant, a little bit more classy, stepped up from some of the other builders who, sort of the big box builders. And I don't want to talk bad about those builders. They make good homes as well. But I think Fulton is sort of a step above. They're not quite a custom builder, but when we look inside these places, you're going to see that there's definitely a difference. So let's make our way over to the models. We'll take a look at them. Folks, this model is the Arrowhead model at Fulton Homes. Now, this is not going to be the way your house looks when you first get it, but these are the options that you'll have if you come and look at the model. Remember that some of these items do come with the house, and you'll see that in our included options in every Fulton home. And take a look around here quickly. One of the items that's included, granite countertops. So nice natural stone throughout. Backsplash optional. That's something that you'll have to negotiate at the time with your agent. Large walk-in pantry. So if you're into canning or storing or buying things at Costco like I am, plenty of room for those large items. Separate dining area. Now this is a great room. So we have the kitchen, a sitting room, and a dining room, but there is a dining area that is outlined by the pendant lighting that's hanging from the ceiling, but it does give you a little bit of separation from the living area. A great deal of natural light comes through these very oversized sliding glass doors and the large windows that are in this sitting area. Take a move back into the master area. Who's that guy? So the master is separated from the other bedrooms. Good space, good size space. A lot of room for anything you want to put inside here. To the side, have a walk-in closet. Can't do without the walk-in. And then the separate bathing area. This one you see comes with separate bath and shower. Jack and Jill sinks, so in the morning there's no crowding. And a private water closet. Head back through the great room to the other bedrooms. Now this also comes with a den. This den could be a home office, a fourth bedroom, an open study, or you can make it a formal dining room as well. Make our way down toward the front door. So as we turn to the right, scary guy again, you'll see that this bedroom is actually segregated from the other bedroom. So this is a perfect guest bedroom for visitors, family who might be coming over. Has its own bath, 3/4 bath. Still a decent sized room for a guest bedroom. A little bit of storage for him. We're gonna go head back out. Starting again from the front door, we're going to turn to our left, and we're going to find that we have linen closet, laundry, another bath set aside for this bedroom. So each of the bedrooms, the way this is established, has its own bath. And we have to remember that one of these is converted into this den area. If you're someone who likes to do a little research before you look at a home, you can actually go to the Fulton website, go to Ridgeline, add Acclaim for Fulton Homes,
You can scroll down and see the Arrowhead. This is the one we're looking at right now. There's an interactive floor plan. So the current standard is 3 bedrooms. But if we click on that floor plan, you're able to make adjustments to the floor plan itself. Let's say you wanted to add a 4th bedroom in place of the flex room that we talked about. Simply by clicking on this bedroom 4, you'll see it's enclosed and now it becomes a bedroom. But in the Acclaim, even though it's listed as 3 bed, you can actually go 5 bedrooms. Now if we click on the 5th bedroom, we're going to lose that tandem garage. But if you need that 5th bedroom and 2-car garage is fine for you, then you can modify this design during the initial contract talks with the salespersons at Fulton Homes. Some other important points about Fulton Homes in general: they're considered a zero energy home for these plans, this location, which means there's encapsulated attic space using foam insulation. They have ultra high efficiency tankless water heaters. It's solar ready, which means they have plumbed from the electrical service panel through the attic access. So if you ever put solar panels on, the conduit is already placed in there and it can be hooked up through to your electrical service panel. And heating and cooling meet the standard 310 for building requirements, which includes things like limits on duct leakage and airflow and blower motor fan speeds, things like that. So in addition to the standard features that we have at the end of this video, you have a home that is much more environmentally friendly and saves you money on your electrical bills and cost. You might be wondering, is there anything to do around here? Are we so far out in the boonies that we can never get to go see a show or a baseball game? Actually, there are convenient routes of travel down Loop 101 down to the I-10, and you also have 99th Avenue. And again, I refer you to the Parkside Villa video to tell you that 99th Avenue is an easy way to get north and south. So let's say we're in the Fulton Homes area and we want to go to, let's say, Westgate Entertainment Center. One of the pearls of the West Valley is Westgate Entertainment Center. Here you're going to find State Farm Stadium. You have Desert Diamond Arena, where you have lots of concerts and events that go on all the time. And there's plenty of dining, shopping at the Tanger outlet malls. And just north of this, we also have Desert Diamond Casino in the West Valley. So 11-minute drive to all the entertainment needs that you might have. And then again, south, if you're looking for shopping, go down to Gateway Pavilion, just a short 6-minute drive where you have a Costco, you have movie theaters, you have dining, you have shopping. And right across McDowell Road, we also have Best Buy and even more shopping opportunities, dining options, and Main Event Avondale, which has an arcade inside there and, some fast bar kind of food.
Head over to the next model, take a look at what they have to offer. You'll notice that on each of these models, when it says Plan 3076, that's usually telling you what the square footage is for this home. This is the Santiago. The Santiago is 3,076 square feet. It's a loft plan, so you have extra space for privacy. It has 4 bedrooms, a flex room, 3.5 baths, a loft, the master's downstairs, and a 3-car garage. Home office, den, and up to 6 bedrooms are also available for this plan. So we'll take a little stroll around here real quick. Kitchen. Again, large pantry, very standard for Fulton in this plan. Beautiful cabinetry, granite countertops. When you go to the design center, you can determine if you'd like to get the microwave wall oven combination, the type of appliances you want, and these will be gas available through Southwest Gas. As we walk all the way through, again, notice this big open space, this big open area, great room, beautiful and large sliding glass patio doors leading out into the patio area where you can relax. And at the very end, you'll find the master suite.
Really impressed with the size of the master suite here. It's a really good size, just fit just about anything you need in there. And then of course you have the walk-in closet. Another good sized room for storage. Let's take a look back into the shared bathing area. Like most of these new homes, you're going to see a shower. Start with a private water closet, large walk-in shower, and nicely done Jack and Jill sinks with beautiful wooden cabinetry. For convenience, just to the behind us will be a linen closet. Unlike some homes that have it in the hallway, it's right inside here. I've been waiting for this next part. This is what makes the Santiago really unique.
Let's go check out that loft.
What a wonderful space as this opens up to a large loft area. Before we take a look at the loft, let's go take a look at some of the living quarters. There are 2 bedrooms up here. It can be used for guests, family, visitors, whatever. But with the loft, it gives them a separate place, segregated from the rest of the activity downstairs. Its own bath, and you'll see the second room is also spacious and open and inviting, comfortable, away from the rest of the activity downstairs, so your guests will have some peace and quiet here. Time to go back and check out that loft. As you can see, large open space. You can make this an entertainment area or just a second family room, or the kids could be watching YouTube up here while you're watching Sunday Night Football downstairs. Makes it convenient. As with the Arrowhead we looked at previously, the Santiago with a loft can also be customized. So if we go to the Fulton Homes Acclaim plan, you can take a look at the basic outline of what the home will look like. Shrink that down a little bit. But if you needed a 5th bedroom, you could add that in. You'll see that'll pop up right here where the flex room is taken over as a 5th bedroom. A 6th bedroom with bath will take part of the tandem garage. So again, there's a lot of different ways you can customize this. If we go up to the 2nd floor, you have the big loft, you have these bedrooms 3 and 4. But if you wanted a compartmented bath in 3, you can see where it simply adds a door between the bathtub and the sink area.
Before we leave, take a look at the garage. Now, this is a 3-car garage, but it is tandem. So for either parking or if you'd like to build a workshop back here, perfect place to do that. You can see that tankless water heater is installed. It runs on gas from Southwest Gas. And underneath here we do have a water loop, so in case you want to add filtration, you can do that. So why Fulton Homes? Fulton Homes is an Arizona-based family-owned home builder that demands quality in the way they build. They also come with essential features that are standard in a Fulton home that you'd have to pay for in other builders. For instance, tankless water heaters, paver stone driveways, ceiling fans already installed, 2-inch blinds on all of the windows standard, pre-plumbed for solar. Also comes with a 14.5 SEER air conditioning unit with a 10-year warranty. If you own an electric vehicle, there's already an outlet installed in the garages. Here's a longer list of the options that come with a Fulton home.
In addition to those amenities, they're under construction right now is the community park, which will have play areas for children, will have pickleball, basketball, and they're even putting in a large aquatic center to cool off in the warm Arizona nights.
Across the street we have Fulton Homes North Shore. You notice something odd about those houses over there? They have big giant RV garages. Those homes will come with either RV garage or a 4-car garage standard in the build. Those houses on the other side we'll talk about next week. For now, let's take a look at the last model available here in Fulton Homes that we're going to cover today. Take a look at the Santa Ynez. This is plan 2268. So what does that mean? 2268 square feet. It's the largest of the single-story homes in this Fulton home community. Take a quick walk through just to show off to the side. We're going to have some guest quarters immediately. Another bedroom. will be our laundry. Now we get to the great room. Again, Fulton home quality. You can see this area here can be a formal dining area if you'd like, or you can also find is established inside the great room itself. Again, massive sliding patio doors giving you access to the outdoors, which, during the summer might be a good or bad thing. But the rest of the year, the other 9 months, it's great. Sit out back. Quick view of the kitchen. And again, another large walk-in pantry. So you can see there's a theme in Fulton Homes where they provide open spaces, lots of comfort, easy living for any size family you have. Could be just yourself and you want to entertain. Perfect open space to do that. So let's make our way out and take a look at that last guest bedroom. Here we have, it's for guest or family, we have a shared bathroom. Comes with a full bath. And there are 2 bedrooms here. So the kids might be separated from the parents, or the parents might be separated from the grandparents, or roommates may be separated from the owner of the house. But again, 2 large, comfortable bedrooms. We have storage for folded clothes. As we make our way through the great room, we'll take a look at the master. Plenty of room again. They don't skip on the room side. So folks, thanks again for joining me during this tour of Fulton Homes Ridgeline. And in case you're wondering, Fulton Homes already provides a 3% COBRA, which means your representation is already being paid for by the builder. And we like builders to do that not only because the agent gets paid, but because they're showing that they care that you have representation and that you're protected during this transaction. Next week, we're going to do Fulton Homes North Shore. Those are the ones with the RV garages. So stay tuned, keep checking the channel. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment, give me a call. Consultations are free. I love talking to people about my chosen profession. I love helping people get into the homes that they really need in order to start building generational wealth. You're going to hear me talk about that in many of my videos. Home ownership is one of those ways you could start building generational wealth and not being stuck paying rent for the rest of your life.